So far what we have seen, that is the thing. First one, introduction. Economics means it is nothing but it is a science which deals with human wants and satisfaction, limited resources and unlimited human wants. To match between these two things, the subject we can study is known as economics. Clear? And another important thing, the books plays a very important role. What are the books available in different titles, such as first one, introductory economics, next one, economics and introduction, third one, basic economics, next one, elementary economics, next one, fundamentals of economics, and last one, elements of economics. These are all the main important books. It can explain the economic subject in a detailed way, and they can study in a detailed way the human being wants and how to satisfy their wants and needs with limited income. Each and everything we are having. Another very important thing, what is the meaning for the subject economics? Economics, it is derived from the ancient Greek word oikonomikos. Oikonomikos, O-I-K-O-N-O-M-I-K-O-S. Oikonomios, it includes two words, oikos plus nemen. See the spelling, it is very important. O-I-K-O-S plus N-E-M-E-I-N. Oikos means it is nothing but household, and nemen means it is nothing but management, custom or law. That is the thing, it is given in your first introduction. So what are the things we have seen in different colorful things, it is given in the first page. What are the important titles of book and how we have to satisfy each and everything. Clear? And here in your book, what is the thing they have given? Economics meaning. That economics meaning only we are just see what is the meaning of economics over. And another important thing here, the term economics, it is also known as, what is another name for economics? Economics, it is also known as political economy. And the political economy is the concept. Again, it was renamed as economics by the main important person, economist Alfred Marshall. Clear? So the term economics, it is derived from the two ancient Greek word oikonomikos, that it include two important words, oikos plus nemen. Oikos means household, nemen means management. And the term economics, it is also known as another name for economics. What is the thing? Very often repeated question in your examination. What is another name for economics? Economics is also known as political economy. Political economy means it is also known as economics. Political economy name, who has changed into economics na? That economist name here na Alfred Marshall. Clear? And when he just changed the term political economy name, when he just changed means in the 19th century. It is very important. Clear? And what is the main important economics nature? The nature of economics, how we can satisfy the wants and needs, how with the limited income, start from the morning till we go to bed, we are come across so many activities, each and everything. And here it can be classified into four important definitions. What are the four important definitions of economics? Definitions of economics in kepanga. Four important definitions: wealth, welfare, scarcity and growth definition. These are all the four important definitions. Four definitions of economics. What are the four definitions of economics? Means wealth definition, welfare definition, scarcity definition, growth definition. Wealth definition, it was given by Adam Smith. How we have to pronounce na, together with the author name, you have to by heart. Clear? Adam Smith, wealth definition, Alfred Marshall, welfare definition, then Lionel Robbins, scarcity definition, Paul A. Samuelson, growth definition. Clear? Once again, I just repeat, listen very carefully. Adam Smith is the economist. He is given wealth definition. Adam Smith, wealth definition. Alfred Marshall, welfare definition. Lionel Robbins, scarcity definition. Growth definition, it was given by Paul A. Samuelson. Classical period. Adam Smith lived on a period. What is the period? Classical period. Welfare definition, Alfred Marshall the neoclassical period. Scarcity definition, it was given by Lionel Robbins. It is a new age. And growth definition, it was given by Paul Samuelson. It is comes under the category of modern age. In social science, These are all not at all very important. Which one? Classical period, neoclassical, new age, modern age. But which one is very very important? Economist name as well as the definition. Adam Smith will the definition, Alfred Marshall welfare definition, Lionel Robin scarce definition, and Paul A. Samuelson growth definition. Let we see one by one in a detailed way.